1950 Mercury M74 sports sedan here at Unique, especially in classics. Kind of a cool look with that rear suicide door, if you check it out. This particular car does have an error correct flathead underneath the hood, 255, that would be 8cm Mercury valve covers on it. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with the optional overdrive. Gotta love these 50s Mercury grills. Take a look at the chrome. Literally a work of art. Headlight surrounds, bright work, look good on it. Has had a repaint along the line. For black, it shows well. Of course, black, yeah, you're gonna have imperfections here and there on it. The one other thing I wanted to mention is take a look at the underside of this. You can see it was undercoated quite some time ago. We kind of scraped a little bit off to see what it was like underneath it, and you'll see it in the pictures. You can still see it looks like all the original pans, original paint on the pans underneath that undercoating. Now, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see the paint has a nice reflection to it. And is it perfect? No, but does it show well? Absolutely. Seats on the inside have been reupholstered along the way. Original headliner in the car, it does appear though. And we'll check out that a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. The original Mercury dash, which in 1950 was quite futuristic. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Great looking chrome in the rear bumper here also. And again, you can see the reflection coming off the trunk. This one also has fender skirts that will be shipped with it in the trunk. Could use a little paint work on that one, as you can see, but the fender skirts will go with it. We'll put them in the trunk. That way they get to you, don't fall off for the next owner of this car. Speaking of owner of this car, the previous owner of this car had this car for 40 plus years. And like I said, check out those underside pics. You'll see what I'm talking about, the original floor pans. Some of that undercoating has come off, the engine bay, interior. Uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And we'll get to that phone number one more time before this is all over to it. Take a look at this. Nice looking combination. Black exterior. How nicely that door closes. And then let's check out the interior. All right. By the way, the horn does work in this one. Had not been able to get the radio to power up. Overdrive, according to tech, worked. We're going to click the key to on. Starter button, of course, on this side. Again, flathead V8 underneath the hood. Listen to it purr. Let it warm up just a tad here. Slippery. You can see the oil pressure. Brought the RPMs up a little bit. It appears the gauges are working, battery gauge. All right. Slip around to the back so you can just run. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Pop the hood and let you check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. New battery too, by the way. I didn't mention that was just recently put in, and again, 255 error correct flathead, and that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with optional overdrive. It's a very stock looking under the hood. Be a fun one for any of your local car shows. roll-ins, cruise-ins. Have a little fun with this one. There you go, 1950 Mercury M74 Sport Sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call